Every time you start a new chat with AI, you're starting from zero. Jude's memory fixes that. It's persistent memory that actually works. Your preferences, client details, and business context saved across every conversation. You tell ChatGPT your brand voice on Monday. By Tuesday, it's forgotten. You explain your pricing model to Claude. Next chat, you explain it again. This isn't intelligence, it's amnesia. Jude remembers. Say this once. We invoice net 30, no exceptions. Done. Jude saves it. Next time you mention invoicing, it already knows your terms. Everything gets categorized. Facts, preferences, decisions, learnings, contacts. Each memory has an importance score. Critical stuff surfaces first. Client calls about a project. You type, "Pull up what we know about Sarah." Jude responds with her entire context. Bloom boutique owner, prefers texts, pays on time, allergic to long emails, anniversary sale every October. You didn't query a database, you just asked. Or watch this. Write a proposal for the new client. Jude writes it in your exact voice because 3 months ago you told it. We're direct and conversational, not corporate. It remembered. The proposal sounds like you wrote it. Day 1, Jude knows your business basics. Day 30, it knows your client's preferences. Day 90, it's predicting what you need before you ask. This isn't a chatbot with a better prompt. It's an AI that grows smarter through actual use. Your second brain, getting sharper every day. Your memories are completely isolated. Jude cannot access any other user's data, ever. Your business intelligence stays yours. Stop treating AI like a goldfish. Jude memory turns one-off conversations into compound intelligence.